What's going on, guys? As you can see over my shoulder, it is snowing again. We're supposed to get 8 to 10 inches, or I take that back, I don't want to lie on the weather people. 6 to 10 inches of snow. It started last night about 5 o'clock. It is now about 9 o'clock the following morning. I guess this is, Friday morning. So I need to get out here because the city of Chicago, they fine if we do not shovel our snow within a certain period of time. And as you know, I have another spot that I need to go shovel snow at. So anyway, this is, I don't know, let me know if this happens in your city. You got this thing called dibs where people will shovel out snow and even shoveled a parking space in front of my house where I live and put chairs there to mark their parking space. Go figure. Anyway, be right back.
You're gonna love this.
What's going on, guys? Art here off the Dog Media Group coming back at you. Man, when I started this vlog video, it was Thursday. Snowstorm started. I was shoveling snow again as usual here in Chicago. And it lasted until Sunday night, Monday morning. What's on my mind is, as the title suggests, surrounding ourselves with like-minded individuals. This is a lesson that I've learned in the past that I kind of got away from or strayed away from unconsciously or involuntarily. But I'm constantly reminded, especially doing this creative thing now, it's become more and more apparent. You definitely need to make sure that the people around you are on the same page and looking to do the same things that you're looking to do. If you surround yourself with people that are not like-minded individuals, unfortunately, I hate to say it, jealousy, envy will rear its green monster head more often than not. You definitely have to be around people that are interested in whatever it is that you're doing. If you're creative, you're trying to create, if you're a musician, if you're building houses, whatever it is that you're doing, whoever's around you, whoever you surround yourself with, they need to be on the same page. That's to say that they need to be doing not necessarily what you're doing specifically, but they need to be, if they're not movers and shakers already, they need to be working on it or close to it like you are. The other side of that is you need to make sure that the people that you're surrounding with, again, are like-minded individuals, but make sure that the flow of information is circular. And when I say that, you can't be in a situation where everything goes out from you as far as information, support, and things of that nature, and nothing comes back. Not that we're doing anything looking for help from other people, but if we're surrounding ourselves with quote-unquote like-minded individuals, then at some point, the people around you should be offering up to help you with the project that you have going or whatever it is that you're doing, instead of you constantly giving. Because if you continue to give, at some point you will be empty yourself. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Make sure that they're on the same page. Make sure the flow of information and the help is circular. The other side of this is make sure that the people that are like-minded individuals are actually not out to get whatever it is they can get from you. You need to definitely make sure that the people that you're surrounding yourself with are not just there to take. It needs to be circular. That's all I have for today. Hope your day was well. I hope you made it a good one. I hope you make tomorrow an even better one. As always, like, subscribe, follow, and share. And if you're a droner, fly safe. Peace.